Warren Buffett sat quietly in his modest office, surrounded by the simple elegance that mirrored his philosophy on life and business. At first glance, the man with a reputation for being one of the wealthiest people on the planet seemed unassuming. He had no need for ostentatious displays of wealth, for he understood the deeper, more profound truth that he often imparted to those willing to listen. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. One afternoon, a young and eager investment banker named Sam visited Buffett, hoping to glean some wisdom from the sage of Omaha. Sam had dreams of striking it rich quickly, dazzled by the glamour of high-risk investments and the soaring highs of the stock market. He saw price tags and wanted to accumulate possessions, not comprehending the real essence behind their worth. Buffett welcomed the young man warmly and offered him a seat. They began discussing various investment strategies, but Sam's recurring theme was clear. He was obsessed with prices. Which stocks were hot? What could he buy low and sell high? It was evident that Sam was caught in the whirlwind of monetary figures and flashy deals. Buffett listened patiently, his eyes twinkling with a blend of amusement and compassion. Finally, he leaned forward and asked, "Do you know the difference between price and value, Sam?" Sam looked bewildered. "Isn't the price what something costs and the value what it's worth?" He ventured hesitantly. Buffett smiled. "Close, but not quite." He reached into his desk drawer and pulled out a small, worn-out notebook. Flipping through its pages, he stopped at a particular entry. "This is a notebook I bought for a few dollars many years ago. Its price was insignificant, but its value to me is immense. You see, it's filled with the thoughts, strategies, and lessons learned over decades. That's the distinction. Price is what you pay, value is what you get." He continued, "Consider this. Two companies might have the same stock price, but their value can be vastly different based on their long-term performance, stability, and growth potential. One might be just a glittering facade, while the other could be a fortress of lasting wealth." Sam nodded slowly, beginning to grasp the depth of Buffett's words. The older man then led him to a window overlooking the sprawling cityscape. "Look out there, Sam. Every building, every business you see has a price attached to it. But the real question is, what is their value? What do they contribute? How do they endure? What legacy do they build?" True investment is understanding that distinction. Over the next hour, Buffett shared stories of investments that seemed risky but were chosen for their value potential. He spoke of businesses that thrived, not because of their initial price, but because they delivered real, enduring value to their stakeholders. Sam left the meeting with a newfound perspective. He realized that to emulate Buffett's success, he needed to look beyond the surface. The glamorous allure of price would no longer blind him. He would seek out value, understanding that true wealth wasn't about the number on a price tag, but the lasting impact and utility of the investments he made. Years later, Sam himself became a respected investor, often quoting Buffett's famous words to young aspirants.